Excuse me? Hi. I bought this jacket last week, but it doesn't fit. I want to return it.
Oh no, did you bring the receipt? I hope the return is easy.
I have the card I used, but the receipt is at home. I'm a little worried.
That can be tricky. Let's see what the clerk says.
Hi, everyone. I'm Zac. Welcome to the English Podcast. We make slow, easy conversations for learners.
Hi, Zac. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. Today is episode 49. Our topic is returning an item to a store. This is a common situation. It happens to a lot of people.
Yeah, it happens to me. A lot.
Me too.
So, how are you today, Zoe?
I'm good. A little tired. I walked a lot. This store is busy.
Yeah, busy weekend. Sales everywhere.
Surprised? Did you get what you needed?
Not really. The jacket looked small to me online. I thought it would fit. It didn't.
That's the problem with online shopping. Sometimes sizes are different.
Right. And the color looked different too.
Oh, that's annoying.
Yeah, but I'm trying to stay calm. So the problem is no receipt? Right, no receipt. I bought it with my card, but I forgot the paper. I was in a rush.
And the tag is gone?
I took the tag off when I tried it at home. I thought I would keep it. I didn't think about the return.
Stores can say different things. Some need a receipt. Some accept a return with a card or ID.
I don't want to argue. I just want to try to exchange it for a different size or get a refund.
Me too. I always get nervous in these moments.
Same. I don't like being rude.
Okay, let's practice what to say. Quiet practice.
Yes, that helps.
Start simple. Hi, I'd like to return this, please. Say it like that.
Hi, I'd like to return this, please.
Nice. If the clerk asks for the reason, you can say, it doesn't fit, or it's damaged, or I changed my mind.
It doesn't fit.
Good. If they ask for the receipt and you don't have it, say, I'm sorry, I don't have the receipt. I paid with my credit card, or I paid with my debit card, or I paid online.
I'm sorry, I don't have the receipt. I paid with my credit card.
Perfect. If you don't catch what the clerk says, try these lines. Could you say that again, please? Or, sorry, I didn't catch that. Or, what do you mean? Use them when you need help.
Could you say that again, please?
And if they say a word you don't know, you can say, what does that mean? Or could you explain?
That makes me feel better.
One more. If you want an exchange, say, can I exchange this for a different size? If you want money back, say, can I get a refund, please?
Can I exchange this for a different size?
Great. And remember to be polite. Please and thank you go a long way.
Yeah, a smile helps too.
I have a small story. Soft tone.
Tell me.
One time I returned shoes. They were a gift. I forgot the box. I looked for the box everywhere. I felt so silly. The clerk was kind. She said, it's okay. She helped me find the right size. I cried a little, happy tears. A little embarrassed.
Ah, that's sweet. I had something similar.
What happened?
I bought a blender. It was noisy. I kept it for a week because I thought maybe it would be okay. It got louder. I went back. I didn't want to bother the staff, but the clerk said, no problem. We'll replace it. I felt relieved. I learned it's okay to ask for help.
That is true. People at stores can be helpful. Don't be afraid to ask.
Yeah, and practicing the simple phrases makes it easier.
Okay, let's act like the clerk is here. I'll be the clerk. You try to return the jacket.
Takes a breath. Hi, I'd like to return this jacket, please. I don't have the receipt. I paid with my credit card.
Friendly. No problem. Do you have the card you used today?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Can I see the jacket and the original tags?
I removed the tag. I'm sorry, I can't find it.
That's okay. Do you have a photo of the purchase or an order email?
I bought it in the store, not online. I don't have an email. I have the card.
All right, let me check the purchase history with your card. Typing. It looks like we can offer a store credit or exchange without the receipt. Is that okay?
Yes, a store credit is fine. Or an exchange for a larger size, please.
We have a size large. Would you like to try it?
Yes, please. Thank you.
As clerk, no problem. I'll get you the size large. One moment.
That was easy.
See? It worked out. Sometimes the clerk can help when you're calm.
I feel better now.
This was a good practice. Next time, bring the receipt if you can. But if you forget, don't panic. Use the phrases we practiced.
Yeah, and check the store policy online. Many stores have a return page.
Right. Also, keep tags in original boxes until you are sure you will keep the item.
Good tip. Thanks.
Hey, before we finish, if this episode helped you, please subscribe to the English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot. We want to help more people learn English. Share this episode with your friends.
Yes, please. Subscribe and like. It really helps. And share with friends who want to practice real conversations.
Also, tell us in the comments about your return story. Did you ever forget a receipt or get a nice clerk? We love to read your stories.
Here's a simple question for you. What would you say if you lost your receipt? Write one sentence in the comments.
Example, I'm sorry, I don't have the receipt. I paid with my card. Now you try. Warm smile.
Quick takeaway. Be polite, be clear, and don't be afraid to ask for help. Practice the short phrases. They will make you feel confident.
And remember, everyone makes mistakes. Returning an item is normal. Use kind words. Use these simple sentences. You'll do fine.
Thanks for listening. See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care. Bye.
Bye.